Feeling drained? Step outside. Nature starts changing your brain within seconds. In just a few minutes, your stress hormones drop, your heart rate steadies, and your senses recalibrate. It's your nervous system remembering what safe feels like. After 15 to 30 minutes, blood flow increases to the prefrontal cortex, boosting focus, creativity, and mood. You think more clearly, and problems feel smaller. Over weeks, spending just 2 hours a week in nature lowers anxiety, strengthens immunity, and even grows the hippocampus, the part of your brain for memory and learning. Nature isn't an escape. It's how your brain restores balance.